All right, right at the top of this video here about P55 Account. It's a money-making system, supposedly. It looks like, to me, it's going to be the same as all the other money-making scams that I cover regularly. I'm a reporter full-time on another website during the day for my full-time job. This is something I cover here nights and weekends. And I, for whatever reason, now have an expertise in online scams. I want to keep you far away from stuff like this because this is meant to trick you into thinking it's going to be a legitimate way to make money. Maybe even to the extent that you might question, well, did you even buy it, Jordan? And I did not buy it because these sorts of scams, historically, just in the last 3 years, have taken people's money and also added other charges they did not agree to, maybe ballooning their amount up to like $300 a month-to-month charges, whatever it may be. So no, I did not give scammers my financial information. I hope that's not that big of a surprise, but I'll tell you what this is all about because you might find it interesting despite the fact that it's also terrible. So there's this P55Account.com website. It says access granted. Your P55 account holds up to $951.98. Complete your final step now to secure this transfer. They're claiming here they're already going to give me nearly $1,000 for nothing. If that does not scream scam to you, I don't know what can, right? So let's watch this video and see exactly what it's all about. Wait a minute here. Just really quick disclaimer, it's about to go away. I have to pause it. Disclaimer, the names and surnames of the people who testify have been changed to protect their anonymity. In some cases, the testimonies are made by actors paid to illustrate the possible gains. It's also possible some results are taken from people who have used a program similar to ours, and we do not claim that they are necessarily our members. What? The events, certain dialogues, as well as certain proofs have been imagined for the purposes of the stories. All the results presented are the maximum achievable and do not reflect what each person will obtain. In other words, you may translate that into real speak, real talk. You're not going to make money from this, of course, because they're already claiming to you they're going to give you $1,000 for nothing, $951. And it has different things down here as well that are going to basically say, you know, you're likely not going to make any money from this. But they want you to not read that. And that's why this is only 3 seconds here at the beginning. I happen to hit pause, and now I'm going to unpause.
Congratulations. You've made it to this page at exactly the right moment, because one of the only 17 P55 accounts available this month has just been unlocked.
Oh, good. I paused this video yesterday and it happens to be saying the exact same number of accounts are left. And why? Because it's a video that's always going to, a month, 2 months, 3 months from now, it's going to say the same thing. It's a video that's playing on my screen claiming a certain number of accounts are available for this P55 account. If you're looking for P55 account reviews, I'll tell you, don't buy this. This is going to be an outright scam.
And it's already been assigned to you. Here's what that means. There's $951.98 already sitting inside your account. Fully secured, waiting to be claimed.
AI voice.
Once you activate it, that exact amount will be deposited into your preferred payout method, and not just once. This is a recurring weekly payout. That means every Monday you'll receive $951.98 automatically.
You know, one of the big tells is it says plus $951.98, and then it says $US. It should be saying like nothing or maybe just USD, but $US. I mean, you're putting the $ there again. That's weird.
That breaks down to $135.99 per day, or $3,983.92 every month on autopilot. You don't need to invest a single penny right now. You don't need to sign up for anything confusing. You don't even need to finish watching this entire video, though I strongly recommend that you do. Just know, you're one of only 17 people selected today. If you leave or delay, your P55 account will be passed on to someone else, and you'll lose your spot forever. So please stay with me, because I'm going to show you exactly why this works, and why it's free to activate right now.
Again, if you're looking for P55 account money-making system or app reviews, P55 account reviews, this is a scam.
And why, if you take this seriously, it could change your financial life forever.
P55Account.com reviews. It's a scam.
My name is Michael Diamond. I'm a former Goldman Sachs banker.
Okay, let's check out this image. All we have to do is do a reverse image search just to see maybe if it comes up with anything. Could be an AI generated image only appearing in this video. Let's see what we got here. Well, we got it. It's a stock photo. You can see right here. It's on iStock. It's on Shutterstock. I mean, talk about how easy was that? Hilarious.
For nearly 2 decades, I managed portfolios and structured capital flows for the ultra-wealthy, people whose names you'd recognize and some you wouldn't.
That's impressive for a stock photo actor. Wow.
5 years ago, moved to Austin, Texas with my wife and 2 daughters, and started building something the financial world told me was impossible.
My voice sounds exactly like an AI-generated voice.
Engine for everyday people, and that engine is the P55 account. It's a completely automated income stream that taps into a unique data sharing mechanism hidden inside digital advertising budgets. Each P55 account is hardwired into a payout loop connected to real-time advertising flow. Every account pays...
All right, we don't need to watch any more. P55account.com or P55 account reviews, whatever. It's an outright scam. It's going to claim you're going to be able to make easy money. And it ends up here on this explodely.com page. It says the offer ended already because this countdown went down, but yet it's still available. Big surprise. They're lying to you, of course. And they claim here money back guarantee. You can't trust that from scammers. 0 tech skills needed. Instant access. One-time fee. If it's one-time fee, why do you have to say one-time fee? Wouldn't it be obvious if you just don't say anything? So that leads me to believe maybe it's not a one-time fee, of course. They claim here, oh, we're giving you $50 off. You are not only going to be charged $9.51. Like I said, these scams charge you more money than they claim they're going to charge you. And of course, the people behind this will never reveal who they truly are because they're hiding because they're scammers. That's why you heard an AI-generated voice and didn't see anyone or anything almost, except for the stock photo guy, which is hilarious. Money back guarantees mentioned here again. Mentions terms of sale about Explodely. I see these scams on Explodely a lot. Mentions 1317 Edgewater Drive, number 4648 Orlando, Florida 32804. That's Explodely LLC. And it doesn't have an affiliate name down here at the very bottom. It just has affiliate : and then like a space, which is not great. So this is a scam, P55 account. If you just go to the P55account.com homepage, I noticed this. It looks like this. Discover how to build a secondary income stream with a P55 account. What if you could create a reliable income stream in your spare time? With the P55 account, you'll gain access to a structured system designed to help you earn supplemental income by leveraging digital products. And it claims something about advertising. Like they're like, if we just tap into this one thing that some people aren't taking advantage of, you might be able to make easy money for free. No tech skills needed. Way, way, way too good to be true. And let's just read the earnings disclaimer here at the very bottom. I'm going to zoom in all the way. And now we can read it. Your results may vary. The figures shown above are our personal figures. They're not. Please understand these results are not typical. We are not suggesting you'll duplicate them. You are. Or do anything for that matter. The average person who buys any how-to information gets little to no results. We are using these references for example purposes only. No, you're doing it to scam people. Your results will vary and depend on many factors, including but not limited to your experience, background, and work ethic. Any business entails risk, as well as requiring consistent effort and action. You said no tech skills needed, and that just, it's not going to be something that is requiring of tech skills that actually works. It's an outright scam. I hope that I saved you from this. I spent my time on a weekend making this video in the hope that in the weeks, months to come, someone out there, and I hope it's multiple people, of course, not just one person, watches my video, was about to hit order, and I saved them. That's what I want to do. Like, comment, subscribe. There's a join button down below. That's a big button if you really want to help me out consistently in a safe and secure way through YouTube. It's basically a way to like subscribe to me and give me like $3 a month or $5, whatever you want to do. And if you are someone out there who wants to help boost someone, being me, who is trying to save people from scams that really don't receive that much coverage. There are other people out there doing some sort of scam busting websites or videos that use like, they use AI generated voices and they don't show themselves in their videos. And I sometimes use AI generated text descriptions under my videos. But as you can see here, this is me. I'm putting in the real work to try to get this stuff out there in a legitimate way so that, you make a video with an AI generated voice. Old people, elderly people might not be able to tell, but if they can, they're going to be like, I don't want to watch a video like this. It's such low effort. So I'm hoping that some people out there will hit join and help me out because I want to keep expanding what I'm doing to help people. I'm not trying to scam people. I'm trying to keep them away from scams. And I hope that you like that. Thank you for watching.